or I can choose myself to greet and then introduce themselves, moving on to describing their hobbies, what do they do in their daily life, or what are their goals, right? So is there anyone who would like to volunteer for this? Please raise your hand. If there is no one, then I would like, is there Zoha from class 9? Is she present? No? Okay. Laiba from class 9? Yeah, I would like Laiba to start with the first lecture about greetings and introduction. So greet, introduce, and then move on to your maybe daily lives or...
Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. My name is Laiba Iqbal and I am from class 9A. Today I would like to introduce myself. My father name is Muhammad Iqbal and my mother name is Shazia. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a housewife. I have 4 siblings, 2 elder brothers and 2 elder sisters. My favorite subject is maths and my favorite teacher is Miss Nida. My hobby is reading book. I want to gain my knowledge, so I think it is very useful hobby. My aim is becoming a doctor, so I'm working hard to get my goal. Thank you.
Thank you.